recently, the Federal Republic of Nigeria charged Senator Natasha Akpoti to court for criminal offenses. So the news broke out, and in fact, the charge circulated all over the internet, on blogs, on social media pages. People were circulating it, and Nigerians were concerned why the Federal Republic of Nigeria is the one that is charging Senator Natasha Akpoti to court, because the charge sheet is titled as Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Senator Natasha Akpoti. So a lot of Nigerians are worried. They said, why is it that it is the Federal Republic of Nigeria that is charging Senator Natasha Akpoti on behalf of Godswill Akpabio and Yahaya Bello? We know that recently there has been an issue and accusations from Senator Natasha Akpoti against Godswill Akpabio and also against Yahaya Bello, the former governor of Kogi State. She even accused them of trying to. So the drama has been there. So recently, the Federal Republic of Nigeria charged Senator Natasha Akpoti to court for crimes which has to do with damaging the reputation of the current Senate President Godswill Akpabio and the former governor of Kogi State, who is Yahaya Bello. So a lot of people are confused. They are worried that Federal Republic of Nigeria is the one that is charging the Senator Natasha Akpoti to court because of this charge sheet they saw, which is titled as Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Senator Natasha Akpoti. They feel that it is not the duty of the federal government to sue Senator Natasha Akpoti over allegations from Godswill Akpabio and Yahaya Bello. So they think that the federal government of Nigeria is actually biased. In fact, I watched this video on Mazi No's page. You can see this video that a lady made a comment on the whole issue. Let me just play it so that you watch it.
Quick updates, guys. Nigeria has sued Senator Natasha, as in the court document says Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Senator Natasha Akpoti. Is the president aware that the country of Nigeria is now suing Senator Natasha? I actually thought that she committed treason when I saw the court document, or she tried to overthrow the government, or she attempted a coup. No, They are accusing her of a number of offenses. Number one, they are saying that on April 3rd, during a live interview on Channels TV, that she said that the Senate President Akpabio.
She thinks that it is wrong for the federal government to sue, that Senator Natasha Akpoti did not commit a crime like terrorism or treason against the federal government that will make the federal government to sue Senator Natasha Akpoti. Now, I want to explain this because I made a comment on Mazi No's page, replying on what exactly happened. That this is a legal practice. It is an issue of style, not a new thing. So some people also responded, and they were still confused and they needed clarity. Now, I want to make this video to clarify this notion. Now, first of all, we need to understand that whenever a crime is committed, it is committed against the state or the Federal Republic of Nigeria. It is not committed just against the person, whether it is theft or armed robbery or rape or arson or no matter how minor the offense is. It is seen as an offense against the Federal Republic of Nigeria or against the states. So it is immaterial that it was just against someone. Provided it's a crime, it is against the state. And it is the duty of the state to prosecute offenses. You as the victim is merely a nominal complainant who just came to complain. So if, for instance, in this case, Godswill Akpabio felt a crime has been committed against him, and he wrote a petition to the police or to the DSS or to any law enforcement agency to prosecute the case, he is just a nominal complainant. It is the duty of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to do the criminal prosecution. That is how it works. So, seeing Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Senator Natasha Akpoti is not strange. It's an issue of our legal practice. it is the duty of the state or the Federal Republic of Nigeria to do criminal prosecution, not the duty of private individuals. So it's a matter of style. For instance, if Senator Natasha Akpoti also made a criminal complaint or wrote a petition against Godswill Akpabio for prosecution, it will be Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Senator Godswill Akpabio or Yahaya Bello. So it is an issue of style. It has nothing to do with bias. It is a general practice all over most countries for the government to prosecute criminal cases, because any crime is committed against the government, against the state. So it is the duty of the state to protect lives and property. And on that principle, this is the duty of the state to conduct criminal prosecutions. That is how it is done. Except maybe in some situations, in some cases where private individuals are allowed to come up with what we call a direct criminal complaint. But without that, it is generally the duty of the state or the Federal Republic of Nigeria to do criminal prosecutions. Other law enforcement agencies can also prosecute, maybe using their name. You can see something like DSS versus Mr. A, or you see EFCC versus Mr. A. So it happens like that. But when the Attorney General is doing the criminal prosecution in line with Section 174 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, it will always be Federal Republic of Nigeria versus the person. So I just want to clarify this so that we understand that it is a matter of style. It does not mean that Senator Natasha Akpoti generally had committed a serious crime against the government, such as treason or terrorism or any other very serious event against the government. No, does not work like that way. So far as an offense has been committed, it is the duty of the state to do the criminal prosecution. Thank you.